Looking for a practical and meaningful gift for someone between 17 and 70 years old, and also want to save a significant amount of money by taking advantage of our Black Friday sale? Our Black Friday sale is now on until Cyber Monday 10 p.m. We are offering 25% discount on just this one perfect gift, and the stock is limited.
What could be that one perfect gift? Please.
Something that most 17 years old would like to get it, and yet something that many up to and beyond 70 years old can also use it as well. This gift can create a great bonding time between family members and among friends. This one gift could be the need of a whole family or can be shared with friends as well. It could also make a perfect gift for a birthday, Christmas, New Year, or for any other wonderful and happy occasions.
Please, tell us now, what is that one perfect gift?
Sure, it's our wonderful and new resource, released this year end of September, Effective Driving Lessons in Practice. Since then, it has already helped many learner drivers, supervisors as well as driving instructors in the UK. Many driving instructors bought this practical resource at the Intelligent Instructor National Conference and Expo 2024 at the introductory price. You don't need to wait for another conference or expo. Our Black Friday sale is on now. For learner drivers, 40+ driving subjects to reinforce the knowledge in between their driving lessons, and fewer but quality lessons with your driving instructor. Time and cost effective, saving you hundreds of pounds.
And how does it help a 70-years-old grandma or granddad?
For supervisors, that's family members and friends between the age of 21 and 70 or beyond. Boost your knowledge, skills and confidence with the 12 industry-proven techniques for effective private practice. Transfer lifetime skills to the young generation to become safe, skillful, and confident drivers. Driving instructors, either ADI or PDI, can teach lessons with this wonderful resource. You can also sell it to your clients to boost your business. To place an order or to find out more, click one of the links in the description below or go to our website, www.assistthelearnerdriver.co.uk. Hurry up, as the 25% discount is only until Cyber Monday 10 p.m. and our stock is limited and going fast. When it's gone, it's gone. So, buy it now.